Hello mga pangga! Kamusta kayong lahat? Sana ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan habang napapanood nyo ang video nito. So for today's video ay magmumukbang tayo guys. Magmumukbang ako ng aking dragon fruit. O, di ba? Ang dragon fruit na ito ay nabili pa namin ito sa Thailand last week. So 3 piraso ito at saka tatlong pirasong dragon fruit at isang atis, grabe. Pero tita, nakamalmahal galing kay paborito ito ni Afam. At saka ang laki at saka ang ganda ng itsura guys, kaya bumili kami. Nilagay namin sa aming luggage ang dalawa kasi yung isa kinain na doon sa Thailand. So na meron pang natira kasi ang laki. So ito guys, although nga nakabalik na siya, so may natira pa at saka ang iba hindi man kumakain ito. Try ko talagang ubusin ito ngayon. I-mukbang ko na lang at saka ubusin ko talaga kasi naghihinayang ako sa pera dahil ang mahal-mahal. Yellow at saka red yung nabili namin kasi ang yellow daw ay matamis. Actually, first time ko itong kumakain ito guys. First time ko itong nakatikim ng dragon fruit. Kasi hindi man ako interested sa ganitong pero nang malaman ko yung kanyang mga vitamins na makukuha balaga kasi marami itong antioxidants at saka maganda ito sa ating health at saka napaka nutritious nito na prutas. So talagang ako na mag-try nito. Pero first time ko talaga ito makakain ga. So ito guys, medyo hindi siya matamis. Pero lang siya ga. Kung natural na tamis ba, hindi as in na sobrang tamis. Lang siya guys, natural lang din siya na tamis. So maganda ito guys. At saka yung kanyang makapal yung kanyang balat so hindi siya masyado na raratin. Kasi last week pa ito ga eh. So, ko talaga na talagang uubusin ko ito ga. So, imagine mo, 3 piraso nito at saka isang atis or tinatawag na sugar apple ay 1,003 baht. Sa Philippine Peso is 2,239 something. So, grabe nyo, ang mahal-mahal ga. Saka doon lang kami sa Thailand nakatikim din ng buko. Pag gala-gala namin ay kumain kami ng buko ga. Ang buko nila guys tag pa guys, 50 baht pa yung isa. So ang 50 baht is 91 pesos. Imagine mo ang buko ga. Yang coconut 91 pesos sa Thailand. So ganyan eh. Marami kasing turista doon. So kaya marami din ang mga businesses na kahit mahal pero okay naman. So ito guys, habang ako ay kumakain nagkakwento-kwento kami kasi sabi niya uubusin ko yan ng dragon fruit para hindi masayang. So yun, gitry ko talaga na kainin ito guys. So tayo ay literal pa na kain tulog kasi may ilang araw pa tayo dito sa Pilipinas eh. So nananaba na tayo guys dahil kain tulog mode tayo, di ba? Ganun ang ating bakasyon. Kahit isang buwan lang pero sulitin natin ang ating oras dito. Kasi pag magbalik tayo literal naman nga kuskus. Di man talaga kuskus na kuskus. Pero literal na back to work na tayo, no? Focus na naman tayo. Mag-save na naman tayo para sa next na bakasyon. Ay, nako. Ganyan ang buhay natin. In a few days, it will be rotten.
Yes, it will be not here.
Yeah. I'm just waiting for the right time to eat this because I was full yesterday. I eat, what did I eat yesterday? I forgot. And then, the next that I want to eat is the durian. Mm. It has a thick skin, that's why it's not easily to get rotten. Oh, I bought a fresh boko today when I went to the market. I bought coconut, young coconut. Mm. This is my first time eating this. There's a portion that's so sweet, and some others are not really. Hmm. Two slices left. Oh, I feel like I'm full already, but I need to finish this so that it will not be wasted. Mm-mm-mm. On the bottom part, it's very sweet. On the bottom part of this, it's sweet. Yeah. Mm. But which is really sweet, the yellow or the pink? Mm. You bought three of this and two yellow, one pink.
because yellow is the best.
Hmm. One more. Oh my goodness, I feel so full now. But I need to finish this. Mm. No camera trick. Ah. Mm, 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 mm. It's 2 o'clock, huh?
What?
It's 2 o'clock and you're still awake.
I'm taking a poop right now.
Uh,
I need help. Get my balls up.
mm, mm, mm. It's done. See? I really wanted to finish this so that it will not be wasted because this is so expensive, guys. 3 of these and 1 atis. It's more than 1,300 baht that we bought in Thailand. It's so expensive. So it's done now. Thanks for watching. Hurry up.
Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me.